how to make an infinite repeater loop in Minecraft. So it will look like this. So basically what you need is a redstone repeater. So a redstone repeater, redstone dust, redstone torch, dispenser, and some arrows or bones. And what you need to do is just put the redstone repeater right there and the other one on the other side. So it's like this on the opposite. So they're parallel to each other, or they're opposite to each other. Then put redstone dust on their sides right here. Once that's done, put a redstone torch beside it to activate it, just like so. Then you can just remove it. And here you need to be fast, since you'll remove the redstone dust and put it again. So, and put it again. So if it didn't work, you will need to do it again. So that's why you need to be fast, like I said. So remove and get your redstone dust ready and place it just like so. As you can see, it is now like that on infinite loop. Then you can just extend it right here. Then put your dispenser. Then put the arrows right on your dispenser. And as you can see, it just makes an infinite loop right there. And you could also add the lever if you want. So just simply put it, and if you activate it, as you can see, the dispenser stops, and when you activate it again, it just goes like that again. And that's how you basically make an infinite loop in the dispenser in Minecraft.